Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are discovering the div tag, okay? The div tag is probably the most important element in an HTML page, according to me. Probably you see it from a different perspective. And okay, so let's start. A div defines a division on a web page, okay? And we can use them to separate content on our HTML page, to style them differently, and for now, we will just learn the HTML, the div tag, what it does, and we will learn more about CSS and styling in our tutorial series about CSS, okay? So let's move on with divs. Divs will be displayed one after another, and they usually take the window width when you don't change anything to the CSS, okay? So let's navigate to our page 2, reload our page and navigate to our page 2, and we have here hello world. So let's create some divs. Okay, and we will copy this a few times, and I will copy the hello world inside of this. And some with different lengths of their content. So maybe I put here some more. So here we have 5 hello world, 4, 2, 3. Reload this, and as you see, they will be displayed in a new row. Okay, there is a break because the div, if we check it, we will see that the div takes the whole width till the window width. Okay, you see, if we make it a little bit smaller, the div is always the window width, and if the content don't have much space, the height will increase automatically if we don't change it in the CSS. You will see when we break it here that our first div is now 2 rows because it don't have enough space. Okay, so that's it for our div tutorial. And you can move on with the CSS tutorial series from now on, because now we learn to style our web pages, okay? And this is really interesting. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, okay? And I hope to see you in the next tutorial series. Bye!